smart organizations like promote skills.
Is the empathy part you have taken with it? Can you explain about your topic first and then we'll go over the problems?
We are taking the topic about smart organizations like market difference. We can discuss about we are discussing in this project based on the ET process now. We have 5 steps now. Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So first of all, the empathy problem statement was given by the
when we traveling a mock vehicle, if we forgot any luggage like document, food, medicine, necessary items, so it will detected and so to the display. That's all.
reason of the process. Now we coming to the empathy part. Why we are taking this problem means while we traveling on the mountain vehicles, we can forget these items. We can increase the stress time delay, stress. So the users are very difficult to handle this problems like time delay. For example, you can imagine one people was going to the office, the important document was in the luggage, but he forgot and go to the office. So it was 24 above now. So we can come back to the vehicle and take the document to the office. So the time delay was given to the user. So he can also stress about this problem. So the time delay occurs in the office. And then security purpose. If one valuable things or documents or any cash or any amount we can kept in the location, the security purpose was not. If anyone break the luggage or taken more important things or money, it is also problem of our problem.
So, you'll be sending any messages to the user regarding this. So, for that, what is the definition you will be taking? This is the problem.
And different production using it is a programming of ESP and all other sensors. But first using a ESP, using like a camera module and using a power supply of our project and using a rotor sensor measuring a weight in your package. First of all, you know the mode vessels in
No, actually, you told like power supply knowledge.
Yes.
You will be taking from the battery of the vehicle.
Yes,
Directly from that.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
only 3 to 5 volts will be enough for that audio.
Anything, even into all other circuits or all other sensors.
That
Only
is enough.
yes, yes. And and the motion sensor, measuring even its troublesome sensors. And and the more vehicles have many other problems. We have keeping the helmet inside, and we have measured both weights, and we have using camera only and lifting input to AI camera. We have input to image of AI cameras. It will reduce the helmet image and it will capture all other image, but reducing only helmet image, you can remove the helmet image and show all other image. We input to a camera tool using the Python code, and it use Python. And the first organization to consumers to work peoples and work peoples, the daily wages peoples. So we are choosing why choosing daily wages peoples. They are missing more in the religious areas. Like faculties are compared to target common peoples. They have daily wages to using more vehicles. The rest person using car daily wages or middle class people only using more vehicles on any bikes. And in car we have put a seat belt. The car will be moved or any door or lock. And like this process.
Actually, I have seen one use like they have taken the luggage car and a van or somewhere else they have stolen some 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs like that. So for that security purpose also,
Yes,
this will be good.
yes, we model to capture the image like this,
With camera means
camera.
this
Yes, and Lawson is using like in car modules, like in car seat modules. We are sitting in a seat. and we have to see but the garbage we do like that only we are using the local sensor. We give an any of the images, any other marks in the latest area, and it is notified in the digital. So we have used all other sensors in our project. We implement to all our people or converting a project or any other startups.
So R5 is also one thing, the people that is the owners and the key also keep the key also is just intimate by with the vibrate sensor.
It is like
Send some signal to the water.
it's like in hardware and software project, both hardware and software projects.
That's what you're talking about, like Python programming.
Yeah, you see.
Instead of going for Python, why can't we go for embedded C and all? Because Python is very user
The image will be removed totally removes Python only as outside image. Outside element image. It is an input of we will give input, it will take very easy. Although we can know all the programs, it will be very easy to do.
The idea part was before telling all the components we are using in this project. By keeping this components, we have take the load cells and kept in the luggage and things load was measured by the load cell and displayed in the LCD display of the component. And camera security purpose, the camera was also kept displayed inside in the luggage, so we can easily see what inside in the and the security purpose on the our user mobile phone. So we are creating this project for the basic normal people who are in medium range, and because of the cost of all the components are very less, like camera or load cells, all the components of the are low cost, so it is very effective to the normal